Most students struggle to remember the past participle, or what we call verb 3. Do you notice any pattern in these verbs? Okay, let's begin with the sounds from the present simple verb, the past simple verb, and the past participle. All the verbs in the present simple tense have the sound E. For example, sing, swim, stink. And all the verbs in the past simple tense have the sound E. For example, sang, swam, stank, shrank. And finally, all the verbs in the past participle have the sound A. Sung, swam, stunk, shrunk. Do you see the pattern now? Just keep in mind, we do have exceptions. Not all verbs will follow this sequence from the present simple up until the past participle. Let's do a quick memory game. We have sing, sang. What about the past participle? It's going to be sung. Alright, let's go to the next one. If this is stunk, what would be the past simple form? It would be stank. Alright, if it stank in the past simple tense, what will be the present simple tense? It will be stink. Correct. Stink. Let's move on to another one. Shrink, shrank, shrunk, shrunk. All right, let's move on to another one. Ring, rang, rung. Yeah, correct. Drink, drank, it's going to be drunk. Very good. We just changed the vowel sound. Then if we have began in the past simple tense and begun in the past participle, what would be the present simple tense? It would be begin, began, begun. Simple. Now the question is, when do we get to use the past participle? Find out in the next video. Bye for now.